Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your KuCoin account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. You will be redirected to the official page of KuCoin. At the top navigation bar of your screen, at the right hand side of your corner, you can see a login link. Click on that link. Now you will be directed to a login page. If you have created your account using your Telegram, Google or Apple, you can click on these respective buttons here. Otherwise, you need to type in your email or phone number on this field here and a password on this field. You can also view your password by clicking on this I button to verify that you have typed it correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link here and follow the procedures to reset it. Now, click on Login button to log into your KuCoin account. You may need to verify that you are a human. Just simply click on this checkbox. After that, a 6-digit verification will be sent to your email address. Open your email. The code may look like this. Simply copy this code and paste it here. After that, you will get logged in your KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.